Historic Harmar Bridge was initially constructed in 1856 as a 900-foot covered bridge across the Muskingum River for horse and wagon traffic. The piers from the original covered bridge still remain intact. The bridge was later converted to an iron railroad bridge with a swing span to accommodate boat traffic. The bridge that stands today was rebuilt after it was damaged in the Great Flood of 1913. The Harmar Bridge is the oldest swinging railroad bridge in the country and the only one of its kind which still turns.